Arashi. You'll need a PVC pipe or a pole to do this technique. Wet fabric and lay it flat. Accordion fold the fabric in 4-inch wide sections down the length of the fabric to form a long rectangle or scrunch vertically. Secure one end of the fabric to the pole with a rubber band. Wrap the fabric tightly around the pole, making sure the fabric does not overlap. After the fabric has been wrapped all the way down the pole, secure the other end with a rubber band. Wrap entire length in twine or rubber bands and then scrunch the fabric towards the end of the pole. Now it's time to prepare your dye bath. Fill a plastic container with 1.5 gallons of hot water. Add 1 cup of salt, add dye and mix well. Add bound fabric to dye bath. Leave it in the dye bath for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from dye bath and do not unbind the fabric. Rinse fabric with cold water. Now it's time to use ColorStay Dye Fixative. Fill a plastic container with 1.5 gallons of hot water, add 2 ounces of ColorStay Dye Fixative, and mix well. Stir on and off for 20 minutes. Remove bound fabric, rinse in cool water, and remove bindings.